Hello guys, today I wanna try help you fix the problem with no sounds when you use the skills and you didn't have any sounds. I have this problem like 2 days, today and yesterday I have this problem and I don't know how to fix it. So I try many things. What I try, of course, many times I try off the game and turn on again, but it's nothing help, yeah. And I try check files on the launcher, but this as well don't help me nothing. And on the last I try just uninstall the game and download once again, but also it's not helping. So I find on the option settings and it's not sound settings. So I show you now how to do. You need to go to the settings, and this is not in the sounds, this is in the gameplay, language and time, and here on voice language I have nothing here. I have just empty slot here, yeah. And if I use this arrow and I have this Korea language and I use it and reset game, just turn off and again turn on, and now it's working, yeah. Only these things help me. And like now you see I have normal voice, no normal sounds with the skills. So I hope this help you as well, because this helped me. Only these things help me. So again, settings, gameplay, this first, and on the bottom, language time, and after this display language you have voice language, and use Korean language. If you play on the Korean server like me, I think you have only Korean language here, and just use it, yeah. And reset the game, okay, because after only this, when you change, it's nothing help. You need reset game, and it will be work, I hope, because in my situation it's work. So I hope in your situation as well will be work. So thank you for the watching and see you in the game.